Hi, to activate Ultra Steady camera mode on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we just need to open camera first. I'm gonna do it from the lock screen. And now from this photo mode, let's switch to the video. For that, simply swipe left and take a look at this upper panel. Here you will see many features, but we are interested in this icon with a running man, which is for super steady mode. So if it's orange, then this mode is enabled and your videos will be more smooth and not so shaky. If you tap it again, it will be disabled. So I took two videos before, one with this mode enabled and one with disabled. And let me show you the difference. So here you can see that it is like more smooth than this one. This is super shaky and I'm shaking the camera the same for this video and for this one, but that is with this mode enabled and that is with the mode disabled. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.